Hello, hello, welcome. It's Mojo Cruising here, and I want to show you our cabin. This is cabin 1003 on the Carnival Conquest. This is the hallway. It is all the way at the end. See, this is the cabin, and this is an accessible ocean view room. It's pretty nice. Check it out. Hello, Juana.
Hi.
It's a very spacious room, as you see here. We have plenty of space for our stuff. That's the bed there. And then you have this nice, really nice bathroom. Very, very nice size. Check this out. That's the bed there. Got plenty of space on both sides. Got chargers and lamps on the tables. Luggage over here and this cool window view. But I'm going to show you something real cool. If you come with me, watch. I'm going to show you. Come over here. Watch this. So when we go outside here, we have this amazing view. Check this out. So, wow. It's pretty windy, so yeah. Let me hold on. Actually, let me take that off. Whee! Windy. So this is the view you get out here. Check this out. So that's our room right there, and this is kind of like a secret deck on deck 10 on the Carnival Conquest. So you see amazing view of the ship and the ocean. And then I'm going to walk you here to the center of the deck, the outside secret deck on deck 10 on the Carnival Conquest. Check this out. Look at that view right there. Boom. Isn't that beautiful? On the Carnival Conquest for 14 days on a seas cruise. We're having an excellent time, and I wanted to show you this secret deck on deck 10, Carnival Conquest. I'm gonna go back inside. It's pretty windy out here. We have the captain's, the Diamond's lunch now, and we're gonna go check that out. Diamond lunch with captain and crew members. Woo! Catch you guys later.